Hey traders, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to level up your trading game, especially on the Crash 1000 index, then this video is for you. Today, I'll be introducing you to an amazing scalping indicator that has some incredible features to help you make more informed decisions and maximize your profits. Let's start with the key features that make this indicator stand out. 1. Non-repainting. This indicator doesn't repaint, meaning the signals you get are reliable and won't change after the fact. 2. Audible alert. You'll receive an audible alert whenever a signal is generated, so you never miss a trading opportunity. 3. Push notifications. Get notified directly on your phone when a signal is triggered, keeping you in the loop even when you're on the go. 4. Email notifications. Prefer email? No problem, the indicator also supports email alerts. 5. Works on M1. It's optimized for the M1 timeframe, making it perfect for scalping. 6. Phone notifications. Stay updated with instant notifications on your mobile device. 99% accuracy. This indicator boasts a 99% accuracy rate, giving you the confidence to take trades with minimal risk. How to install the indicator? Here's how to do it. 1. You'll receive two files when you download the indicator. One is a template with a blue background, and the other is the actual indicator file. 2. To load the template, first, copy the template file, the one with the blue background. Then, open your MT5 platform, click on File, and select Open Data Folder. 3. In the Data folder, navigate to MQL5, then Profiles, and finally, Templates. Paste the blue background template file into this folder. 4. After the template is loaded, open a Crash 1000 chart on the M1 timeframe. Right-click on the chart, go to Templates, navigate to the blue background template you just pasted, and click on it. Your chart should change to reflect the new background. 5. Now, download the indicator file to your computer. Once it's downloaded, double-click on it, and it will automatically install onto your MT5. 6. Finally, drag and drop the installed indicator onto your Crash 1000 M1 chart. This will activate the indicator, and you'll be all set to start trading with it. How to use the indicator. Now, let's talk about how to use this powerful tool on the M1 timeframe. You'll receive two types of signals. 1. Line up arrow. When you see a line up arrow, open a buy position and hold it for 5 minutes or 5 M1 candles. Your stop loss should be placed just below the previous spike low. 2. Line up arrow with a dot. When there's a line up arrow with a dot, open a buy position and hold the trade for 10 minutes or 10 M1 candles. This time, set your stop loss below the previous candle's low. These signals are designed to help you catch those quick, profitable moves in the market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more trading content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!